Okay, hi everybody. I'm going to do a before and after video today. It's kind of unusual. It's not really a four-wheel drive mod, but I've got really a weak sounding horn. It's 35 plus years old. I get made fun of a lot because of its tonal quality. So what I'm going to do is give you a before. That's what it sounds like before. With the hood down, it sounds even funnier. I'm going to install this bad boy, compressor powered. They call it a klaxon, and we'll see how that turns out. Be right back. I don't know if any of you have ever opened one of these plastic packages before, but man, you had to use a grinder and my vise and a couple other high-powered tools just to get this thing out. It's a fairly simple approach. It's got a little 12-volt powered compressor. One connection goes to your 12-volt, which I'm going to just use my regular stock horn because it's already on a relay. Comes with a relay, but they want you to have it relay powered so it gets a stronger voltage and amperage from the battery. And from the ground post on here, I'm going to go straight to metal ground. So we will see how this turns out. Be right back. Okay, I'm not going to use the stock location. I'm going to go drill a hole and put it in a custom location here on the fender well. So before you drill any hole, it's always good to just make a little dimple. Let me show you what that was. Made a little dimple to go ahead and do my drill process from. Okay, I'm going to use my stepped drill bit here. We'll see how that goes. Doing it one-handed too. Should be about the size of this bolt that goes in there. Let me see. One more notch. There we go. One each bolt hole. Time to bolt it up. Okay, this little horn comes with a little notched area that the bolt goes in. I'm going to one-hand it here, show you what we're doing. Fits in just like that. I'm going to go from the bottom inside of the fender. Bolt's going to hold it down, tighten up the nut, shazam. So I'm going to try and do this one-handed. We'll see how well it works. So nut comes off. The vise goes on right about there. So I got lock washer and nut. And on the bottom side here, I'm going to go, I got the nut, I got the washer on, and then the nut. Man, that wasn't that hard at all. So what I'm going to try and do here is get you a camera angle on that if I can get the phone to stand up here. Going in adequately up there, so I'm going to tighten this bad boy up right here. Yes, that's a PDGT, pretty doggone tight. So let's check it out from the other side. Nice and solid. Let's make some connections. Okay, so here's what I did. I went and took the existing power wire here. This went to the factory horn. Factory horn was originally bolted right there. You can see the rust mark where the OEM factory installed horn was. Power wire comes out of this loom that goes right by where the horn was. Whoop! It just went right out and hooked to the horn. I took that, just reversed it to the spot that I mounted this bad boy. Went to the power side. Ground goes right straight to that point where I marked where the factory horn was, and we'll see how it sounds. Okay, factory horn is out. New horn is installed. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, man, that's quite a difference. Factory horn. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.